Predicting the end of Tesla has been an ongoing wager among countless fund managers, stock analysts, and great investors alike. While some evaded and even made strong profit going the opposite way, others have gambled quite a hefty amount of money on the outcome that Tesla stocks will not drop, but have eventually lost their stake. Early this year, Michael Burry has put in a substantial wager against Elon Musk's Tesla Inc. Let's get to know more about what happened that it leads to Michael Burry stating Tesla stock could go below $100 this year. But before we get into how Michael Burry has made a wager that Tesla stock could go below $100 this 2021, do me a favor and smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell button for notifications whenever a new video is published. Make sure to watch the video until the end. Who is Michael Burry? We all know Michael Burry, right? If not, then here are some quick facts about him. Burry can be recalled as the investor who became infamous for making billions of dollars off bets against mortgage securities during the financial crisis in the mid-2000s. Aside from being an American investor, Burry is also a hedge fund manager and physician as well. He is best known for being the first investor to not just anticipate, but at the same time profit from the subprime mortgage crisis that took place around the year 2007 up until 2010. Burry is the founder of hedge fund Scion Capital. He ran the firm between the years 2000 to 2008 before deciding to close it, since he chose to focus more on his investments. In the 2015 movie The Big Short, we can all recall that Christian Bale played the role of Michael Burry. This was the film version of Michael Lewis's best-selling book, written to account for the financial crisis that happened back in 2008. In April 2021, Michael Burry's growing fan base is in awe when he allegedly deleted his Twitter account after numerous tweets about his warnings on market bubbles for the past few months. Burry's followers believe that doing so indicates an end to his grim warnings about his many rambling thoughts and excessive assessments on how the financial market stands. When his followers visit his Twitter page now, the warning, "This account doesn't exist," is what greets them. Michael Burry previously had as his header image a telling photo of his bookshelf, but it is no longer available. Tesla, a company overview. Tesla is a brand known globally. Who does not know Tesla, right? The company was founded back in 2003, and the company does the designs, manufacturing, and selling of not just advanced electric vehicles. Still, it also sells its energy generation and storage products. They're headquartered in Palo Alto, California, and the company's distribution of products is not exclusive in the US, but it extends to China, Europe, and Australia. To date, automotive and energy generation and storage are the two primary segments that Tesla operates. Electric vehicles and their powertrain components are the main focus of its automotive part. Tesla leasing and Tesla lending are additionally offered too as the vehicle's services and benefits to its customers. The selling of solar systems and renewable energy is what its energy generation and storage segments are known for. On top of that, this segment offers energy storage products too. To match its innovative product line and offerings, Tesla has announced in February 2021 that it will also offer an equally creative way of accepting payments for its products and services. They have announced that they may start accepting Bitcoin as a form of payment. They have not set a specific date yet, since this method is still subject to applicable laws. It will also be initially offered to customers on a limited basis. How to buy Tesla stocks. Tesla, headed by its CEO Elon Musk, can be considered one of the most popular and advanced American electric vehicle companies. Tesla does all of the design, development, manufacturing, and distribution of several vehicle powertrain components and electric cars in the US. Tesla provides generation products and energy storage. With this array of offerings, many investors are looking to buy equity and stocks because of Tesla's success. The million-dollar question now is, how do you invest in Tesla stock? For those new to the world of stocks and investing, the simplest way to buy Tesla stocks is, firstly, through a brokerage account, or secondly, with the help of a financial advisor. You can check your options and which one works for you. How are the Tesla stocks performing? Though Tesla is known as a top-rated company over the years, its stocks have not been given the blue-chip status just yet. A long-standing history of profitability and success in its industry are the qualifiers for a company to be awarded blue-chip status. Tesla's unsteady profitability history mainly contributes to them not retaining this status. Tesla's CEO Elon Musk reported in 2018 that they were on the verge of bankruptcy after their stocks went through several rises and falls. To survive that crisis, Tesla had to do many severe cost-cutting measures to become more profitable, and they were able to bounce back. At the beginning of this year, Tesla shares were able to close at an all-time high of $883.09 last January the 26th. This happened after a year-long rally has finally nudged the stock at a record high. That is by almost 700%. It is now down by 35% from its peak last Monday, May the 17th, after Tesla stocks had lost a quarter of their value by the end of March 2021. Even if Tesla did earn a record profit in the first quarter of this year, its earnings results showed in late April. As we all know by now, Elon Musk's Tesla has dodged an industry chip shortage that has impeded production in the US and China, enhanced its manufacturing, and even made money off Bitcoin. But the stock share still crashed. This is a sign of the high expectations the company now deals with. Tesla not offering a specific estimate for their vehicle deliveries this 2021 is what may have caused them the drop, according to some analysts' nitpickings. To add, when the underlying securities fall in prices, the investors profit from puts. Burry owns 8,001 put contracts as of March 31st. These put contracts that Burry holds currently have unknown value, strike price, or expiry. As of May the 17th closing, the shares of Tesla dropped more than 4%, which in total is now bringing its month-to-date losses to roughly 20%. Why is Michael Burry having a wager against Tesla Inc.? Forecasting a fall of a stock is no rocket science, as they say. Or is it not? One can observe that when stock trades are at an all-time high, there are more sellers than buyers. How come? Why are they selling? They predict the outcome. This shows that those stock traders are already anticipating the plunge of the shares by the way it rises. Unlike other stocks, auto stocks such as Tesla's are cyclical. This only means that when auto stocks are already in their cycle, they will fall. But one must provide a credible, superficial, and decorative reasoning for its fall. The predicted demise of Tesla is forecasted by investors and fund managers, including Michael Burry. Like any other wagers in the past, analysts, investors, and fund managers have won while some have lost. For those who have lost, they have committed such a fatal error of putting assumptions into normal market conditions. We can simply conclude that these analysts and fund managers' vanity and hubris have made them ignore the idea that the market, or stocks in this particular case, can continue to plummet. Then it comes to remain in the chips. They have indeed paid the price for it. This is a wager that Burry is not willing to pay for. According to a regulatory filing last May 17, Burry's Scion Asset Management holds bearish positions against 800,100 shares of Tesla Inc. This information is as of March 31 this year. Having this significant number of shares provides Scion Asset Management the right to sell their Tesla shares at any point in the future, as they would want it to happen. The current wager that Burry has against Tesla Inc. is not Burry's first as well. His previous tweets in December made it into the news as well. In a tweet last December, which has already been deleted, Burry has mentioned that his firm was short of shares of the electronic vehicle maker. Production and delivery of the updated versions of its high-end sedan and SUV, namely the models S and X, are now being faced by Tesla. That's not it as well. Tesla is also facing setbacks in the commercial production of its custom-designed 4680 battery cells. These battery cells are reported to be used for their Cybertruck and Tesla Semi and other upcoming vehicles. Burry also suggested in December to Elon Musk to sell shares to raise capital while his stock was still at ridiculous levels. For Burry, the stores have not yet survived the pandemic low points. Another impediment to Tesla's long-term prospects is the company's dependence on regulatory credits to make more profits. Scion Asset Management's chief is not waging a personal war against Elon Musk. Instead, he makes these predictions as part of the existing facts of what is happening in Tesla the first 5 months since the year has started. Like in any financial market, there are highs and lows. Burry is making a foresight, as any investor would, to hit big and make profits too. If you have your shares of Tesla stocks, what's your take? Are you willing to make a wager just like Michael Burry did? Or are you ready to risk it and wait out? Let me know your thoughts in the comments section down below. Before leaving, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button for notifications on our future content. With that being said, see you in the next one.